In an unusual set of circumstances, Arsenal have moved swiftly in the January transfer window to complete the signing of 20-year-old Greek centre-back Konstantinos Mavropanos. Considered to be one of the biggest talent in Greece, the defender has impressed for PAS Giannina in recent months, making 16 Super League appearances since breaking into the first team last season. Clearly, the new head of recruitment Sven Mislintat has seen something special in the youngster. Former head of recruitment Steve Rowley left the club at the end of last season after 35 years of service, and the signing of Mavropanos could be a sign of things to come for Arsene Wenger's side. Mislintat signed the likes of Mats Hummels, Christian Pulisic, Robert Lewandowski, Shinji Kagawa, Ousmane Dembele and Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang during his time at Dortmund, so trust in him, Arsenal fans. That being said, here's how Twitter reacted to the signing of Konstantinos Mavropanos. Thoughts on Arsene Wenger's first piece of business in the January window? Do Arsenal need to strengthen even more this month? Let us know in the comments.